your girl Nikisha, and you're watching Nikisha's Life. If you are new, welcome. I would love it if you join the family. And if you are returning, welcome back. It's been a minute, I know. I had some free time. Daughter's gone for the summer. Why not make videos? So I am going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing an exciting review on my Ipsy Glam Plus box I got this month, as well as my normal Ipsy bag that I got. I was excited because I didn't think I was going to get the box one. This is what it looks like. It's this big old box right here. I didn't think I was going to get this, okay? I thought I was going to get it next month because it was a waiting list and you had to be approved to see if they had enough, and then they'll send you out. So I didn't expect to get it until next month. So when they said they was going to send me this on top of what I got in my Ipsy bag, I was like, oh, thank you. Thank you. So this is what it looks like. And then I also got my normal one that I will show you what I got in that one too. So I got both of these. And I'm going to show you what I got in here as well. So the Glam Plus is a subscription that is $25 per month, and you get full-size products. Now, I looked in here already and saw the prices of some of these, and it was worth more than what I paid for the box. And I was like, girl, thank you. I mean, you make a girl feel special, you know. Coin stretching, you know. Spent $25 and I got more than that back in one product. So, and I got 5 whole ones. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to keep this subscription. And then, you know, you got the normal one, which is the $10.99. And you get the 5 small size, sample size, and stuff like that. So, I'm excited about this one. So I'm going to show you what I got. Open it. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it has a quote on there. It says, "Don't be pretty like them. Be pretty like you. Glam Plus." That's cute. So let's see what we got, okay? So first thing it has, it's the, you know, every box has a theme. So the theme on this one is the block party. That's what it looks like. And then it just basically gives you a description of everything that's in there and the prices. And like I said, the prices in here are, one product is literally worth more than what I spent for the box. Like this right here, I got this. This value's at $65. I paid $25. This value is $65. Okay? The palette is $24. What? The mask are $26, $25. So, am I happy? I'm ecstatic because I got my money back plus some for the products I got. Okay, so let's get into the products. So this is the first thing I have. It's the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Sunday Riley is what it's called. What it looks like, and it basically says apply to clean face twice a day, morning and night. This is the cream. Let's open this up. It kind of smells like oranges, maybe because vitamin C. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to open it. What it looks like. This is the cream. It smells really good, and it's really thick. Ooh, okay. The face is not clean, but it's okay. We're gonna try that out. All right. Oh, it's very thick and moisturizing. So I got this, and this was, let's see, $65. This is the value. This cost $65, and again, I spent $25. Okay. Next thing I got in my bag or box is a eyeliner and pencil, or eyeliner and brush, and this is by, is it Sunvia Beauty? That's what it looks like. And this is a little brush, and this was $26 for the set. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty big too. This is what it looks like. And it's just a black eyeliner. I'm excited to use that. Okay. And right there, with these two products, I literally got way more than what I spent. And I guess it's textures. It's saying it has like its anniversary. So the theme, it has like a textures palette in it. And it says textures palette. And it has Ipsy Game On. I haven't seen the colors in here. Let's see. That's what the packaging looks like. Ooh, it has a big mirror. Let's see. And these colors are beautiful. It's called Game Changer. I'm gonna show you. Game Changer. Game Day. Game Night. Stick It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. Ooh, this Game Over, baby. I love me some blue. And that is a pretty blue. You see that? And look at this gold and this one right here. These are my favorites. These are really play. Let's swatch them. Ooh. I'm gonna do Game Over, Block Party. Ooh, it's really creamy. And I'll do all of them. The Game Changer is a little chalky, but it kind of, I don't know. I don't really like them, but okay. So okay, these two are my favorite, but it's a little chalky, as you can see. Trying to do this, it's not working. But this one was this palette cost $24. So that's pretty. I love that blue. That blue is really pretty. Really pretty. And then I got a lipstick, and this is by Trey. Is that an S? I can't see. I don't know who it's by. But it has a 3 products in one is what I'm looking like, what it looks like. That's not in English. Okay, so it has a lip balm, lipstick, and then it's just the top. And the color is in Belize. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. It's big. So this is a lip balm at the bottom. And then you put it back like that. And then this is the lipstick. Oh, and this is the top. This is the lipstick. Pretty. It's a pretty color. Oh, it's like, oh, it's a magnet. Look. Okay, you fancy or whatever. So yeah, that's the lipstick I got. And I like the color. It's just really dark. I mean, I like sometimes dark, but not too much. And the last thing I got in the box, it's by Tula Skincare. And it's 3 masks. One is for Major Glow. It's called Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Hydro Gel Mask. And this is what they look like. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same, but this is what they look like. So that's what I got in my Glam Plus bag. Now, mind you, I paid $25. And these full-size products cost more than that. So I got my money back. I'm excited. So what I got with my normal Ipsy bag, which I'm still excited about too, because I just love Ipsy. And it's the same thing. It says Block Party, and it gives you a list of everything you got. So I got 2 masks, and one is for hydration with coconut gel sheet mask for hydration, and then brightening, a brightening mask. So I got these 2. which I'm excited because I love masks. Like, I love them. And then I also got the Delectable Butter Wash Body Polish. This. And then for the first time ever, I've gotten perfume. Oops, I dropped it. Hold on. Here we go. And this is by, it's called I'm Trash. Okay. Weird name, but okay. This is what it looks like. And then this is a perfume. I don't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This smells good. It don't smell like no trash. I don't know why they call it I'm Trash. Why is that? Why? But this right here. Honey. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I'm a perfume fanatic. Like, I'm obsessed with smells. That smells freaking good. So this is my first time getting perfume. So I'm excited about that. And then the last thing oh wait, I'm sorry. I lied. I got two more things. I got the Ultra Repair Primer. It's a primer I got. And then, ooh, I got a Texture lip gloss. Okay, let's see what it's called. What is it called? It doesn't say. Oh my gosh, that perfume smells so good. Oh, it's lingering. Oh, this is pretty. This is the lip gloss I got. And this is the back. I love, love, love this back because my favorite color blue. And then it has this cute little Textures little symbol thingy on it. This is $10.99 and this was $25. I'm excited for both of these and try these out because I love masks. Like I said, those palettes, those shadows are really, 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 really. But I love the blue one and I love the gold and the pinkish gold one. Those are my favorite. But yeah, that's what I got for my two Ipsys. I got the, so I might do both. I think they have a plan where you can do both. I don't know how much it would cost. I believe it probably, you have to do one or the other, or you can probably do both, but it will cost more. So I don't know. I might just keep the big one because I like the fact that I spent $25 and one of those products was that plus more. So I spent $25 and got 5 big old products that cost more than what I spent. So for me, because I'm cheap and I like to keep my money, that is a good deal. So I might keep that. So I might keep doing these. I might, but I kind of like these little baggies too. So I don't know. I'm gonna go online and see if you can do both. If you can, then I might do that. But yeah, that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.